Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Apps and Notifications. After that, select Notifications over here, scroll down and click on See All from last 7 days. After that, you can click on Most Recent and select the best option for you, in my case, Most Frequent. Then just click on one of those switchers next to one of your apps from which you want to disable notifications, in my case Chrome. You can switch them back on by tapping on the same no gray switcher. If you want to, you can always click on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!